Well, good morning. It's Sunday. I don't know, towards the end of June. Don't know what date. Anyway, it's Sunday, and I'm on my own. Ali's gone home. She needed to go back. I'm staying another day. Staying up until Monday because we've got the electrician coming to do solar panels and what have you. Anyway, so she's gone home. Unfortunately, she hasn't had a very good sleep this weekend due to my snoring. Oops. So she's gone home. She's got a really busy day tomorrow. So I've been left to my own devices. So there's no Ali, there's no Dave. So it's just me. So what am I going to do today? Oh, I did think about, there's a lot of football on today. I could just sit there and watch that. It's a nice sunny day. I've had my breakfast on the back of the boat here. I thought, I've got a bit of stuff to do, so maybe I ought to get on with that. But Dave was telling me about a good friend of ours, Rich. In the daytime, he gets up early, and in the daytime he has what he calls a nanny nap. Oh yeah, so this is where he has a little recharge. So Rich, I think I might copy you, because you're a boater and you've got to get into this. So I was thinking, I might try that, see what it's like. So I'll give it a go now. Night night. So I've been a busy boy. I've just taken off the pole and plank rack. We decided we're going to move it. So it was situated, as you can see, just there. But what we're going to do is re-situate it up, further up by the stove. You'll probably see just sort of in between there is where it's going to go. Yeah, the reason we've decided to move it from here is if we decide to have another solar panel, we'll have the room, and obviously we wouldn't be able to with the pole rack there. So that's why we're doing that. So that's one job that I've done. A lot of motorbikes going by. Yeah, so I've done that. So yeah, you can sort of see it from that side. All I've done is cut it off at the moment. I've still got to grind it back before anyone says, yeah, it needs grinding back. And I've got some red oxide as well, which I'm going to do as well. Another little job I've done is just put a bit of cable trunk in for the tunnel light and the horn. I'm still going to put a little bit of conduit on there as well in areas. The reason the rest of it's open is because we've got a solar panel going out, and I just need to check with the electrician where everything's going to go. So yeah, that's that. Now yesterday I kept hearing a noise in here, and it sounded like something was eating at the insulation. Ali heard it, Dave never heard it. I was like, I don't know what it is. And today I noticed bits of insulation falling out of there. Right, and I've just been chatting and I've just seen a bee come out of there. So there you go, that'll be why. Another little job I've done is under the bed. I've put all the tools and the paint and all the bits and pieces under the bed. Now we got our gas struts on the bed. That all works a treat. So that's all done. So that's all nice and tidy, which means coming through into here, it's a lot clearer. It's yeah, there's still a few bits and pieces that I haven't finished completely, but yeah, it's looking a lot clearer, and it's amazing how much room you suddenly feel like you've got. Another little job I've done is I've just taken these centre consoles down, ready for the electrician so that he can feed his solar panel cables through all the way along. I've got one down to do down at the end there. Just got to get another one done down the bottom here, but I'm leaving that one until tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll give you another little shot of the acoustics on the wall with the diesel stove. Looks really good, doesn't it? You have to excuse that little bag at the bottom there. I just haven't finished clearing up really. And then now we've got it all through in the bedroom. I know you've seen all this, but I'll just it doesn't help with the bed up, does it? Let's put the bed down. So it just gives you a feel for what it's going to look like. It does look amazing. We added a little bit of oak to the base of the foot base of the bed, so we changed that, stained that all up, and that now looks really nice on the end. And then that's the acoustic panels that way. Looks really nice. And once we've got the window liners in, that's really sort of coming together now. Really good. So yeah, they're the few little jobs that I've been doing, and yeah, can't think there's anything else I've done. A little bit of sanding and filling. That was a bit boring, but yeah. So there we go. I will leave that there. Tomorrow we've got the electrician coming, so I'll see if I can do a little bit of filming for that. But that's it for now. So just a quick look through all this gear for the electrics. Amazing, really. Yeah, all the different bits of gear, all these control panels, and yeah, a lot of kit. A lot of kit. And those two boxes down there, big boxes, are the lithium batteries. And we've got the solar panels, which are just down here at the moment. Yeah. So all of that is all going in under the steps there, and all rejigged in here. So that will all get redone, resorted, and then control panels be in there. So yeah, so my once tidying up yesterday has now changed back to being loads of stuff. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and we will see you again when it's done.